Good morning, guys. I set this one running when I came to bed last night. Believe it or not, this is supposed to be a rubber band powered gearbox driven module unit for one of those boats. And it needs to run for, I think it's over 9 hours, the print. It's probably been going about 7 hours. And it's really only the test version, because I probably need to modify it. So, we'll come back later when it's finished and see what works and what doesn't. Yeah. Hi guys. Got another idea for one of these 3D printed boat hulls that I produced or printed the other day. This time I've printed some gears. I'm going to try and make myself a little gearbox that's going to go on the back there, propeller sticking out this way, and rubber band on that side. Don't know if it'll work, it's just something I sort of dreamed up and printed. I need to work on that because that's not fitting quite right. I need to trim that off a little bit at the front. And I need to bend up some bits of wire to act as axles and that. So I'll have a go at that. We'll come back in a minute. At the same time, I'm actually seeing if this microphone works or whether I'm still recording it with the onboard microphone, because I'm not sure. I was under the impression that you couldn't use an external microphone on this camera, but it does work if I use the supplied headphones. They've got a little microphone in there. But I want to use something I can put a proper pop filter and all that in front of. So if it works with this microphone, that'll be brilliant. But I just cannot tell whether it's recording through that or the onboard mics. Right, so that one is fixed on that gear. That one is free spinning on the central hub there, and that one is a softer bit of wire that I've bent round into a hook. So that's for the rubber band to go onto. And that axle's just dropped right the way through, so clearly it's a loose fit. And that one's nice and tight on there. So that's got to go over there. And then I need a propeller to go on there. I should think a relatively large one, so that it slows the rubber band down. So that's a one-to-one gearing. There's no up or down gearing there, it's just straight through. All the gears are the same number of teeth. We will get water in there, but I'm not too worried. This is just for a proof of concept, as you might call it. Alright, these are some propellers I did for a different project. They're a little bit smaller than I had in mind. Haven't quite decided how I'm going to do the winding up yet, whether to do it from this end. It's going to turn that way. They're all... Oh, that's the other way. Let's just put that on there so we can... Right, I have to put that on there properly so we can just test whether it's going to turn the right direction. I want to wind this up this way. I haven't glued this in place or anything yet, so I'm just testing. That is the wrong way. I had the right propellers to begin with. Right, okay, we'll put that one on there. Right, I've taken off the winder that I put on that end. So we're just going to wind the propeller backwards by hand, which will take quite a while. And then we'll just let it go. It's only a short rubber band motor, so it's not going to go very far. Probably put it outside in the water, but there we go. Okay, we'll wind that up and try it in the pond, pool, water butt. That's what we're going to use. Well, it worked. I might have to try it slow-mo. Well, summary time. It works. It's given me a few ideas. It looks like I could very easily stick an electric motor on there at the top, drive it like an outboard motor. And then the other thought I've had is a much bigger propeller so it turns slower, because that's clearly turning that very easily. So it could take a bigger propeller and last a little bit longer. But yeah, happy with that. A rubber band powered 3D printed boat. I don't think I'll bother putting the files on public though, because it's really not finished. It works as it is, but it needs more development. If you want the files, you'll have to let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. There's always more information down in the video description. And if you like this video, you might like this one up here. And you might like to have a look at my channel over here. See what else I do. Thank you for watching.